let us see what is centripetal force. Centripetal force. What is centripetal force? The force which acts toward the center is known as centripetal force. Let us understand this force. In uniform circular motion, let us say this is a circle and with speed it is v, that is uniform means throughout the motion the speed will remain constant. So the speed will remain constant since vector quantity is velocity and speed is scalar quantity, so its velocity will change, its direction is changing, speed's direction is changing, speed will come, it will go from there, it will in circular motion but its direction is changing, so its velocity is changing. Its velocity is changing like this. So change in velocity causes acceleration, we read in previous videos. Change in velocity means delta V causes acceleration in the body. And in which direction? That we have to find. Direction of change in velocity. The direction of change in velocity gives the acceleration. So how we can find the direction of change in velocity? We can find it by using the triangle of vector addition. So let us place this vector here and apply triangle of vector addition. So we'll place here such that its magnitude and direction will not change. So we'll place here. Its direction is not changed and magnitude is also not changed. So initial, terminal, now initial and terminal. So this acceleration is going in this direction. In this direction. This acceleration is going in this direction. So now see, its direction is changing, it's in circular motion, its direction is changing, but it must have to move in straight path. And we have learned that change in direction caused by the force. If there is a force, there will be a change in direction. So there must be a force which is causing the change in direction. So in which direction the force is, that we have to find. So now acceleration and force both are vector quantity. Both are vector quantity. So the direction of acceleration will give the direction of force. Means force is also acting towards this side. Means towards the center. So this is how the centripetal force is derived. Means there is a force that is acting toward the center. The force is toward the center, which is causing it to rotate like this. Which is causing it to move like this. Now, otherwise it must have moved in straight path. So this is the force which acts toward the center. Centripetal force is not a new force that we are learning. Centripetal force is not a new force. So let us understand this in example. This is a nucleus, okay, and this is an orbit in which electron revolves around. So electrons revolves around this orbit because of electrostatic force. Electrostatic force. And this force acts toward the center. So this force can also be called as centripetal force. Another example. So let us say this is a sun. Let us assume this is the sun and this is our earth, and earth revolves around the sun because of the gravitational force. So in this case, gravitational force acts toward the center. So gravitational force can also be called as centripetal force. So this is centripetal force. This is how centripetal force is understood. So hope you have understood what is centripetal force. In next video we'll be learning some more interesting topic. Okay, till then, bye bye.